Hello children, you can see this 3D shape. Now can you identify which shape is it? It is a pentagonal prism. If you see this face and this face is a pentagon. So it's a pentagonal prism. Now let's identify the vertices and the edges of this shape. How many vertices are there? Now what is a vertex? You can see the corners. These corners are the vertex of the 3D shape. Okay. So remember, vertex means corners. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So there are 10 vertices of this pentagonal prism. These are the edges of the 3D shape. So how many edges are there in this pentagonal prism? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are 15 edges in the pentagonal prism. Now let's take another shape. Alright. What shape is this? If you could identify. Yes, it is a cuboid. Now, among the two shapes, which one has faces that have only right angles? This one. This has only right angles. Now, how did I come to know about right angles? We know this is a cuboid. And when we look at a cuboid, you can see this face, this face. There is a right angle here. Why? Because this face is a rectangle. This face again is a rectangle. Each of these faces are rectangle. Okay. And this one is a square face and this one is a square face. Alright. So now this face is a rectangle. So a rectangle has 4 right angles. Alright. So all of the angles in this face are right angles. This face as well. Even this face and this face and the face below. All of the faces have right angles. So this is the shape which has all right angled faces. Okay. Now among the two, which shape has more than one right angled face? Both of them. This we know that all of the faces are right angled, but this one, if you see this part, the pentagon part, this is an obtuse angle. If you see even this, okay, but when you look at this face, this one, it is a rectangle, and a rectangle is going to have all right angle faces. Now, which among these two 3D shapes have angles greater than a right angle? This one. You can see this line and this line make an angle over here which is greater. Okay. And this goes for each of these sides. It's a pentagon which doesn't have any right angles. Okay. Now, which among these two shapes has only 3 edges at each vertex? Remember, vertex is the corner and edges are these lines. Okay. So, what is the answer to the question? Both of them have 3 edges at each vertex. Let's see. Now this is one vertex, okay? One edge comes and meets over here. The other edge also comes over here. And this edge as well is coming over here. Is there any other edge coming and meeting at this vertex? No. So there are 3 edges that come and meet at this vertex. What about this shape? Let's take this vertex. This edge is coming over here. This edge is meeting here. This one is meeting here. Is there any other edge coming over here? No. But there are 3 edges. So both of these shapes have 3 edges only at each of these vertex. So if you see the other vertex also, it is the same. Okay. Among the two, now which among the two has pentagonal and rectangular faces? This one, the pentagonal prism. Okay, so this is the rectangular face. Okay, these are the rectangular faces and these two are the pentagonal faces. All right.